Now we're going to be looking at oblique views. This is a three-dimensional view of an object showing the front of the object in orthographic and sides sloping at an angle of 45 degrees. Let's see what we mean by this. So if we have our object, we start to draw object just like we would in orthographic projection by drawing the front of the object. Remember, the shape of the front would be, for this object, it's a rectangle, and then we have the door, which is a second rectangle. What else we have? We have the lock. Alright, so it starts off just like orthographic, but there is one difference. It's a three-dimensional view. So we have the sides. The sides are going to be sloping at an angle, and we draw the sides like that. That angle is at 45 degrees. Now, that side there is also going to be half the dimension. In oblique projection, the sides slope back at 45 degrees, and we use half the dimensions of the object. So from that now, we're going to continue. It has a height. Alright, we draw the other corner back. And to complete our oblique view, we connect it. So what we would see, it's an orthographic view for the front, but the sides and the top are sloping at an angle of 45 degrees. And what you would see there is a three-dimensional views of our object using oblique views. And again, just for show our symbol. Now let's do some designing using our oblique drawings. So we have our basic first aid cabinet plain, and if we wanted to show the half glass, the full glass, excuse me, it's just to add that second rectangle. Now, for advanced users, we can actually draw the internal parts using the same sloping sides to show shelves. There we have it. All you would need to do is to just show the glass. You don't have to put in all the shelves. Alright, so that would be oblique views. And be completed by that sticker there, first aid cabinet, so we know what goes in there. Alright, so now we're going to be looking at our half door. And this time, it's just going to be a smaller rectangle to represent the glass. And again, for advanced users, we might want to put in some shelves on the inside. But once you just put in that glass there, we're good to go. Alright, so where you choose to put things, in this case now, I have the handle on the left hand side. You can put the handle on any side. Alright, we are designing, you are changing things, putting things where you want it to be. Now that completes oblique views. Next we're going to be looking at isometric views.